To access the connected features on your Forerunner 735 XT, like smart notifications and automatic uploads to Garmin Connect, you need to pair your watch with a compatible smartphone. First, download the Garmin Connect mobile app onto your smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or sign into your existing Garmin Connect account. When prompted to connect a Garmin device, select Yes. Then select Forerunner 735 XT. Then, from your watch, select Menu, Settings, Bluetooth, and then Pair Mobile Device. On your phone, select Search for Device and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. There's so much to discover within the Garmin Connect mobile app, like the ability to view stored activities and analyze data with the help of detailed charts and graphs right on your phone screen. You can also invite family and friends to follow your activities in real time using LiveTrack. LiveTrack sends a link to your friends and family, allowing them to view your movement on a map and cheer you on, or just give everyone some peace of mind while you're out training. Now that your Forerunner is connected to your phone, you can take advantage of its smart features. For example, automatic activity uploads. When you finish a timed activity, your smartwatch sends the data directly to the Garmin Connect mobile app for you to review later. Software updates are easily taken care of too. 735 XT wirelessly downloads the latest software updates when they're available. And the next time you turn on the device, just follow the on-screen instructions to finish updating. Are you an avid social media user? Garmin Connect lets you post updates to your favorite social media site when you upload an activity. You can also receive social media notifications on your watch, along with text messages, emails, and phone calls. You'll also be able to receive audible lap, pace, speed, and heart rate announcements during your activity. From the mobile app, open the menu and go to Garmin Devices. Forerunner 735 XT, Device Settings, Audio Prompts. Once your Forerunner 735 XT is paired, you can easily stay connected.